They did not stop making bad bitches when they made you. Red bone, slim, thick shit, she only 22. No, she do for a little workout, pull up on the new women. Got a 10, I let her lay out by the pool, we got plenty. As long as I lock in, about one of them gon' get it. I'm so hood, nigga, so hot, that my right.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm getting my client glammed up and I'm going to walk you all through from start to finish. We are going for a soft, flawless glam that enhances her natural beauty. I always start by prepping the skin because that will help the makeup last and look smooth all day long. First, I started by cleansing her skin and removing any dirt and oils, and right now I'm going in with a hydrating primer. Next, I'm going in with blush. I chose a medium pink shade because it complements her complexion really well and adds a natural blush. I applied it to the upper cheekbones, blending it toward the outer corner of her eyes to help lift and enhance her features. Next, I'm applying foundation. I always try to match my client's skin tone as closely as possible, and if I'm in between shades, I usually go one shade deeper rather than too light. I apply the foundation to most of the face, but I avoid covering the blush so it can still peek through and give the skin a soft, natural glow. And I want you all to pay attention to how in between steps I always set and blend. You want to make sure you're blending because you want your makeup to look like skin, not caked up. We don't need nobody casket ready over here on my watch. Now, we're at my favorite part, concealer. I apply it to the T-zone, under eyes, and along the cheekbone area to brighten and add dimension to the face. As you watch, you'll see that I like to blend the concealer with a brush first. Then I go back over it with a power puff to give it a smooth, flawless finish. And I'm a little heavy on the under eye because, yeah, that's just my style, y'all see. And you gotta trust the process, okay? Trust the process. She might look a little crazy after the concealer step, but trust me. Like I said before, set in between those steps. Immediately after concealer, I go in with eyeliner, and I like to go in very bold because you know that black under eye is everything. Next is contour. When it comes to contour, I just go around the face, cheekbone areas, you know, lower jawline, things like that. I don't do too much when it comes to contour because I do not like the bold, harsh look. If you want to go in a little bolder and harsher, you can do that, but I like to keep it soft, especially in my soft glams. But when it comes to contour, one thing I'm going to do is snatch that nose. You always got to make sure you snatch that nose. That's what makes or breaks your makeup, literally. Now that everything's blended, you're going to set every place you put concealer, and you want to make sure that that sits while you're doing every other step. I like to bake, baby. Bake, 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 baker's man. Now her brows were already tinted, so I just really just like carved them with the same shade that I used for her concealer. And then after that, you're going to see me drag it down and blend it together. Now I'm doing her shadow. I use bronzer as shadow, so I use the bronzer that I would use on her face, and I just put that all over her eyelid. It gives like a natural warm eyelid, natural glam color. I don't know how to explain it, but I just love using bronzer on the eyelids. It's tea. No other words. Now for the lip combo. I honestly should be charging y'all for this tea. I always go in with like a medium brown or a dark brown. This is actually medium brown, but it looks a little darker on her skin tone. And I just outline her lip, blend it in, whatever. Then I go in with a very nude, like nude lightish pink, and I blend that in as well. This pink that I'm using is called Fortune Cookie by NYX. It's the Butter Gloss tea, and then I go over that with a clear gloss. Now this is another one of my signatures. I go under the eye all the time with my soft glams with like a dark brown, almost reddish color, and I just put that under the waterline where, like right beneath where I put the eyeliner. And now you're just gonna blend where you set because she's done setting. And I spray my clients down to the guys. Y'all gonna see how she gets irritated. Like, she's gonna be so irritated because I'm overly spraying her. But I don't care. Like, that makeup's gonna last, baby. You ain't gonna be telling me that your makeup didn't last on my watch. And make sure your client face dries. I lost my handheld fan, so we have to do it the ghetto way today. And this is the finished look. Like, I just love what I do. I love enhancing people's beauty. She was already a gorgeous, gorgeous girl, but now she bad. If you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and come back for more. Thank you all, and I love you all. Hope to see you soon.